In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dotted lines in Figma. If you're looking to add stylish dotted lines to your design projects, you're in the right place. This method is simple, effective, and adds a polished touch to your designs. Let's get started. First, open your Figma project. Once you're inside the canvas, locate the Pen tool. You'll find it in the top toolbar, or you can quickly activate it by pressing P on your keyboard. The Pen tool allows you to draw lines with precision, making it perfect for creating dotted lines. After selecting it, go ahead and draw a line on the canvas. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can always adjust it later. If you want a perfectly straight line, hold down the Shift key while drawing. Now that your line is in place, let's make it more visible. Head over to the Stroke settings in the right-hand Properties panel and increase the stroke weight. This will make the line thicker and easier to see while we work. Don't worry if it looks a bit too bold for now. We'll fine-tune it later. Next, click on the Advanced Stroke settings, located right next to the Stroke Weight option. This opens up more styling controls for your line. In this panel, look for the Style drop-down menu and select Dashed. This instantly converts your solid line into a dashed one, which is the foundation for creating dotted lines. Once you select Dashed, additional options will appear. Find the Dash Value field and enter 1. This short dash length turns each dash into a small dot. To make the dots look smoother and more professional, locate the Dash Cap option and select Round. This rounds the edges of each dot, giving your dotted line a clean, polished appearance. Finally, adjust the gap value to control the spacing between the dots. Increase it for wider spacing or reduce it if you want the dots closer together. Feel free to experiment until it matches your design style. And that's it. You've successfully created dotted lines in Figma. These settings can be customized further depending on your project needs, so don't be afraid to play around with them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!